Alright, today we're going to show you how to replace a Marvin sash, picture sash for a casement. We're going to move this from this frame. First, we start by going to the interior and we're going to remove these covers here and here by using a sharpened putty knife to get in the gaps here and here. And we'll show you how to pull those off. Okay, we're going to start at the bottom first. Gently pull up. Obviously, if the window is painted, you would want to take a utility knife and score your paint lines. Just take your time, there's no rush. It'll come right off. We use a kerf and barb system where it's a friction fit. At the bottom again, if the spline is still in here, let's remove that. Sometimes you may need to use a pair of pliers. And then we'll remove this stop. There we go. Taking off the other side now. Constant steady pressure. Now we've exposed all the brackets, so we can just remove all these screws here and here all the way around the whole perimeter of the frame. With all the screws removed, you're able to remove the sash from the frame, just like that. And then you can install the new one. The thing that's very important are these spacers to go around the sash. Usually I just put a whole bunch on the bottom and a couple on the side. And then that way it helps keep the perfect gap around the whole window so it snaps in there tight. Now we're putting the sash into the new frame on this one. And just push it in there, just like that. And then be sure to check all of the reveals to make sure that it looks even all across, like that. We're going to go ahead and put the side stops back in. They should go back in the same manner as they were taken out. They'll just pop right in. The top piece. And now we're putting in the bottom piece. Just like that, just snaps into place. And there you have it, just like that. Ta-da! Zero residual presence. Looks just like came from the factory.